News also the nationwide protest for this heinous crime that transpired in the state of West Bengal. As per the Federation of Resident Doctors Association, which is the FRODA, resident doctors have now called nationwide strike today against the Kolkata rape and murder case. Now, resident doctors of West Bengal are already on indefinite strike and are demanding justice for the victim, but all 10 government hospitals, RDA of Delhi, are on strike from today onwards. The resident doctors of Uttar Pradesh, Punjab and Jammu are also on strike from today onwards. All the other state RDAs are also going to join this particular protest. CNN News 18 Shireen Elizabeth is joining us on the broadcast early this morning as well. Shireen, a very good morning to you. What do we know about the time period of this protest at this point of time? What exactly is the demand of all of these resident doctors? Because something very heinous has happened with a doctor on duty, and that too a female doctor.
Well, it is an indefinite strike that has been announced by the Federation of Resident Doctors Association India. And this is going to affect the elective services in the hospitals, especially when we talk about in Delhi, around 10 government hospitals, the elective services are going to get affected. The emergency services, though, will be operational. Apart from that, Uttar Pradesh, Punjab, Haryana, these are the RDAs where they have announced the indefinite hunger strike. Now, what the demands of these resident doctors are that there needs to be a swift justice for the deceased. Justice must be served quickly and due compensation provided to the family of the deceased. And apart from that, there should not be any police brutality or any patient brutality. This is a demand that they have been making for a long time, that the doctors get attacked by the deceased family members. So that, of course, should be stopped. And formation of an expert committee comprising representatives from the medical community and association must be formed to speed up ratifying the Central Healthcare Protection Act. Because these doctors feel that they are not being protected by the attacks when it comes to the patient's family. And then specifically when we talk about this a person who has been deceased, there needs to be an expedition in her case is what the demand of the resident doctors have been. So today, starting today, which is 12th of August, indefinite strike is something that has been announced by Delhi doctors, by Haryana, Punjab and Uttar Pradesh doctors, NIMHANS also in Bangalore, and more resident doctors are going to announce their strike from tomorrow is what we are being told.
Definitely, Shireen. In fact, the voice for justice is only going to grow louder and louder with all of the resident doctors deciding to side with this particular motion and go on an indefinite strike. We'll keep coming back to you for more details on that story. Right now, we have got a couple of more reactions coming in within the same story. Let's take a look at all of those.
The political party is responsible, the judicial system responsible. Just because of the judicial system, just because of the media, and just because of how we look down upon things, these incidents are happening time and again. If we have to put an end to this, we need to bring a bill. If we need to set an example and make sure this kind of incidents and unfortunate tragedies are not repeated in the future, we have to lead by example and make sure we are able to bring in an ordinance or a bill where if any circumstantial evidence is found against you, then you will be either taken to the gallows or should be encountered in 7 days.